Welcome back. In this session, we will look into JSON syntax, where we will understand the structure of JSON. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy to read and write for humans and easy to parse and generate for machines. Its syntax is derived from JavaScript Object Notation, but it is independent of JavaScript and can be used with many different programming languages. Now we will first look into objects. Let's jump to Visual Studio Code. An object is a collection of key-value pairs, also known as properties, where a key is a string, enclosed in double quotes, and a value can be a string, number, boolean, array, object, or null. Objects are surrounded by curly brackets. Now let's look into how array is represented in JSON. An array is an ordered list of values, where a value can be of the same types as for objects. Arrays are surrounded by square brackets. Next, we will look into different values. A value in JSON can be a string in double quotes, a number, integer or floating point, a boolean, true or false, an array, an object, or null. Here name, John is string. Age, 30 is number. You will notice that age don't have double quotes for number. Next we have is student, false, it is representing boolean value. You can use true or false value over here as JSON only understand true or false. Here courses, with value math, science, literature is surrounded within square bracket. It is representing array which we have seen earlier. Next we have address which is representing object inside JSON. JSON is strict in its syntax, particularly with the enforcement of double quotes for keys and string values and disallowing trailing commas after the last element in objects or arrays. When using JSON, be mindful of these syntax rules to ensure that your JSON is valid and can be correctly parsed by any JSON parser. This is what I want to show you in this session. On this note, I am stopping over here. In the next session, we will discuss about data types allowed in JSON.